Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an Android device, ReAdvanced Manager APK, and either Micro G or a backed-up YouTube APK. Once ready, enable unknown sources and grant storage and install permissions so files can be handled. Next, open ReAdvanced Manager and let it scan for the target YouTube package. Choose the exact version to patch. Make sure you also download the patch bundle and any required signature tools before moving forward. Once you select your target app, pick the patches you want: ad blocking, background playback, sponsor skip, or UI tweaks. Then use the manager's build process. It usually automates patch application and signing. If the builder reports version mismatches or missing dependencies, update or supply the correct YouTube APK and retry. Watch the build log for errors, and when done, choose to export a signed APK or install directly via ADB. This ensures the patched app matches your device and signatures. After a successful build, install the patched APK. If you rely on Micro G, make sure it's installed, active, and you're logged in, otherwise some Google features won't work. Once installed, open the app and verify key features like ad removal, background playback, and any patch toggles. If something fails, go back to the manager, read the build and install logs, confirm the exact YouTube APK version used, reinstall Micro G if needed, or clear app data and retry the install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.